What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Review. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best lighting you can integrate into your home to improve your sleep quality, induce a better state of relaxation, and rest properly. There's specific lighting spectrums that affect your melatonin production. So, for example, 633 nanometers is a spectrum of red light that you see here from each of these lamps that are different sizes. And that induces melatonin production. It also produces relaxation within the body. It calms your nervous system and it just makes you feel at ease and want to rest. So what I have done personally is these are simple lamps that are wireless. They charge with an Android charging cord, and they have this adjustable top where you can turn it in any direction, high, side, down, low, right, left, whatever. And there's also 1, 2, 3 levels of brightness. So you just tap this right here, 1, 2, 3 levels of brightness. Super convenient. And what I like about these lamps is they are flicker free. That's another thing with lighting. If lights flicker and you see that flickering is also disrupting your circadian rhythm because it creates a sort of energetic frequency or a wavelength where your brain goes, oh, it's daytime. Right? Think of it like when you're driving through the sun or running or walking or biking or anything through the sun, and the sun is going through leaves and there's this flickering of light. That flickering of light is signaling daytime. You don't have a flicker of night at nighttime. So you don't want a flicker in your bulbs. And thankfully, these lights do not have a flicker in them. So they are no flicker. There's no blue light in them. Additionally, they are 633 nanometer spectrum wavelength, which is the red light spectrum that causes your brain to produce melatonin. And how that works is this red light is going to enter your eyes and it signals your brain, hey, the sun is setting. It's at that last part of the day where it's going down, and that red light, or sort of orange-red light, is the last light our brain sees before nighttime. So it just taps into our natural circadian rhythm, which is our internal biological clock. So what I love about these lamps, and I'm going to give you a discount code in the comment section, once again, 633 nanometer spectrum wavelength, which is what the research shows that the melatonin production works off. They are flicker free. They are low EMF as well. That's another important thing. Low EMF means there's very little electromagnetic frequencies coming from these. Electromagnetic frequencies also disrupt your sleep patterns. A lot of electronics, really all electronics, especially anything that emits Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, these things emit EMFs, and these electromagnetic frequencies disrupt our nervous system. So they cause us to go into fight or flight. They cause us to feel anxious and stressed out, and they also emit more positive ions, which are positively charged electrical particles that quite literally land on our skin, and we inhale them through our nose and into our mouth, and then they get into our lungs. And when they are on our skin or get into our body via breathing, what occurs is a state of stress and dysregulation and more anxiety. So being a low EMF lighting source, there's less electrical activity. This is also why you sleep better when you go camping and you're in nature. This is because you're away from all these electronics, and that electromagnetic interference with your nervous system is diminished to a lower amount, so your nervous system can naturally be in a state of calm. So low EMFs, 633 nanometer spectrum wavelength of red light, wireless, so you can put it anywhere. What I like about these in particular is these clip on. You can clip them on to anything, and they are really convenient. I use these in the bathroom and bedroom, and I use these in the bedroom as well, and also one in the kitchen at night near my supplement stack. So if I'm taking magnesium or something sort of after dinner, this works really well to just throw it in the kitchen near your supplements or where you may be at night, or bathroom and bedroom. Bathroom, bedroom, kitchen are the 3 places I'm gonna be. So, this works really well for that. And then these clip-ons, I literally put right next to the bed like on the nightstand. And these, I put one on either side and it just clips on, and then I have two small red lights right before sleep at night. And the brighter lights go from bright, and then they dim down, and then they turn off, and then these are the last lights, and then I go to sleep. Ideally, what you want to do is have red lights at night, but you also want those red lights to be diminished over time and have less light, because when you have less light, your body is adjusting and your circadian rhythm is going, okay, I can produce melatonin, my sleep hormone now. So these lamps, these lights, both of them, all of them are from a company called Mito, that's M-I-T-O, Red Light. I will put the link in the description along with the discount code HEALTHYWILD-FREE, which will give you 5% off. They also have full red light therapy panels. They have full body panels. They have portable panels. I have their full body panel. I have their portable panel. I have their lamps, and I have their clip-on lights. I have a lot of their lights because their products are awesome and this company is amazing. So if you're looking to do full red light therapy, this is a great company. But even if you're just looking to optimize your sleep health and sleep performance, these red lights are fantastic. They work incredibly well. The clip-ons as well. And you'll sleep better just by down-regulating your lighting at night. And you'll also save money in your electricity bill, which is really cool because these portable lamps are very cheap. By the way, these lamps last 12 hours. I use them maybe 1-2 hours a night. I would recommend under 2 hours each night to transition to red light, or even an hour or less. And then these last 12 hours, so that's like a 12-day, time. And then they charge up like in less than an hour probably. They charge up very quickly. So these are great nightstand lamps, or these. Either way, they're great nightstand lamps, bathroom, kitchen, anywhere you're going to be at night. Just transition to red light and you're going to sleep better, and your melatonin production, your sleep hormone, will be healthier. So check them out below if you want to learn more. Also, if you want to get different health and wellness products that I personally vetted, I'm a certified health and wellness coach with the Association of Natural Health. And I help my clients to make better purchasing decisions with their supplements, superfoods, exercise equipment, shoes, recovery products, all of this kind of stuff. So if you want to see the products that I actually recommend to my clients, visit healthywildfree.com/links. And that page will actually take you to a variety of different research and information on my brand, but then also you can visit healthywildfree.com/shop. And on the healthywildfree.com/shop page, you're going to get discounts to over 20 different health and wellness brands that will give you the highest quality, along with discount codes, free shipping, special offers, things like that. So check that out. And if you want to learn more about health and wellness products in general and improve the quality of your life, subscribe to Wellstar Reviews below, and also follow Healthy Wild Free here on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for the educational content. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.